So the starters from Tuesday are word problems, and Paula's birthday party will cost $5.20 if she invites 4 guests. How many guests can there be at most if Paula can afford to spend $11.70 on her birthday party? Assume the relationship is directly proportional. So we've got a proportion, we've got money, and we have guests. And then we have money, and we want to know how many guests can there be. So that's our question. So we can set up a proportion to do that. We can say $5.20 is for 4 guests. So if I have $11.70, we want to know how many guests can we invite. And then we just cross multiply. So we've got $5.20 times X is $5.20 X. And then we have $11.70 times 4, which is $46.80. And those two things have to be equal. So I'm going to write my equation over here. $5.20 times some number of guests is going to give us $46.80. So to figure out how many guests I can invite, I just split my equation. I divide by $5.20. So $5.20 divided by $5.20 gives me just 1x. And $46.80 divided by $5.20 gives me 9. So I can get 9 guests if I can spend at most $11.70. You could have also solved that by getting a unit rate. So you could have done, if it's $5.20 for 4 guests, to get 1 guest, which is a unit rate, we would do $5.20 divided by 4, which is $1.30 for each guest. So if I've got $11.70, and I divide that by $1.30, do $11.70 divided by $1.30, I would still get that 9 guests. So you can solve it either way. I think proportions are a little bit easier, but you solve that either way, you get 9 guests. Then we've got Jackson walked a total of 18 kilometers by making 2 trips. So we have 18 kilometers, and that was 2 trips to school. And then after 3 trips to school, we want to know how many kilometers will Jackson have to walk in total. So I can set up my proportion. I have 18 kilometers for 2 trips. And then 3 trips, so that has to go on the bottom because it went on the bottom on the other side. 3 trips is how many kilometers? So then I can cross multiply, and I can do 3 times 18, which is 54. And then 2 times x is 2x. Those two things have to be equal. So I split it and divide it by 2 because I'm trying to get that x alone. And 54 divided by 2 is 27. And that equals my kilometers. Again, with this one, some of you may have done, if it's 18 kilometers for 2 trips, then I can get a unit rate and just find out 1 trip. So I'm dividing that by 2, dividing that by 2. So it's 9 kilometers per trip. And then if I take 3 trips, I just do 9 times 3 trips, and that also equals 27 kilometers. So either way you solved it, as long as you got 27, you have the right answer.